So you guys, I have a new friend. Meet her. I know you thought I was talking about the cat. Nope. Good morning, guys.
Hey, what's going on?
Hey, so it is Friday morning and we're still in Chiang Mai. We found this place on Airbnb a day before we were supposed to check out of our last Airbnb.
We're kind of skeptical on picking places that have no reviews, and this is one of those that had no reviews.
One of the things about the house that we love the most is not even the house itself, but it's the property in which the house sits on. It's so tranquil and so peaceful. Just could not wait to show you guys because we had to share this with somebody else. Our host has been Puppy. Puppy is the best. She actually invited us to the Lantern Festival and we really enjoyed ourselves. We got a chance to see how the locals enjoyed the festival, and then we went down to the center of Chiang Mai to see how the tourists enjoyed it.
Right, we're at a different location from where we just were. Previously we were in the rural area, and now we're in the heart of Chiang Mai. So we're like in the city walls, and it's a little more busier, a little more touristy, but you still get the same effect. It's busy.
It's a lot more busier than where we were earlier. Yeah. But it's good that we're able to see both spots. We were able to see how it is over with the locals, and then come here to more of a tourist area and see how it is now.
And you get the same experience just with less people. Yeah.
And now we're just gonna basically put the camera away and try and enjoy the festival, or what's remaining of the festival. That looks like Fansa.
That's never Fansa.
That's not Fansa. Anyway, you guys, well, I guess we'll see you later. Deuces. So the house itself, it's a 1-bedroom home, but it's beautiful. Right. There's also a staff here, just in case anything happens.
There's staff right there.
So, yeah, they do their thing. They do not bother you at all. So I mean, it's really cool. You can just walk around here and just be in peace. I mean, it's blissful.
Yeah.
In every room, there's a door that exits to the yard. So it doesn't matter what part of the house you're in, you can still get to the yard. But there's a gym in the house. There's also a masseuse table. So when you're finished with your gym exercise, you can get a massage of some sort. So how amazing is this, that this entire home comes with its own personal gym. And when I tell you that it looks as if this equipment has never been used, it looks like it has never been used. Like they just took the wrapping off. So there is a treadmill, there is a bicycle, and some things to work on your upper body. Wait, but did you see the masseuse table? What type of stuff goes on in here? No, I'm just kidding. This is really cool. Look at this. Yep, I could just give you a massage. That's how you do it? Or would this be the butt? This is probably the butt.
I think that's how they do it.
Okay. Yeah. Oh no, this is how they do it in Thai.
How they do it in Thai. That's the finishing move.
Oh no,
Oh, there's like 9 cats or so. We've only seen 3.
Yeah, we've only seen like 3 or 4 cats, but we heard that there's 9 cats, which is absolutely fine with me because the more cats, the less rats. If you do decide to rent this place, you do not have to worry about the cats invading your space because they have their own house. The house right there in the back.
They have the pool house.
That's the house for the cats. How about that? What we're going to do, you guys, is we're going to stop talking now because we've been going on and on and on and on and on about how great this house is. But we haven't shown you yet.
Right.
So,
okay. Go ahead. No, that's what we're taking in there.
So that's what we're going to do. We are going to show you this amazing home. Try not to get jealous, because I am. And if you're ever in Chiang Mai and you need a dope place to stay, then this
is the spot.
This is it.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Deuces. Go. This place is absolutely amazing. And then when you step outside, so in this room is the living room, what we would call the living room. There's a sofa. Look at how nicely decorated it is. Look at everything except for my water bottle. I'm sorry, I have to hydrate. Water, wine, water, wine. And here is the wall art. Isn't it amazing? I mean, look at this. I'm almost 6 feet tall. I can't even touch the top. This is huge. And the details, this looks like something that may have come from Bali.
It does.
I really, really like this. Yeah, so anyway, this way is the bedroom. This is the only bedroom in the house, which is absolutely fine because look how big this bed is. And every room has an exit. Okay, so I know you may have thought that we may have been exaggerating just a little bit, but this bathroom is ginormous. This is the perfect bathroom to get ready with friends. So that is something that we stay away from. You don't do any of that. If you come right out this door, there's a cat somewhere, and there's a seating area. Oh, look, I've never seen him before. So right through this door is the kitchen. Island top table, refrigerator, there's a coffee machine, there's more wine. That's everything I need. But if you walk this way, all the way through here, and then you have this. Look at this. I think I'm gonna get in. Like, seriously, I think it might be a little too cold. So look at it. So, after getting out of the pool, you can actually walk right through here and you'll find an outdoor shower. just asking Faustino if he wants to get in the pool. Look what we find in the pool.